Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of floor cleaning with the stylish and innovative Eufy MACH V1 Ultra. A multitasking cordless hard floor mop and vacuum that also includes a steam function. Let's see why this could be the ultimate floor cleaning solution for your home. The Eufy MACH V1 Ultra is not your average floor cleaner. It's a handsome and futuristic-looking machine that combines three essential cleaning disciplines: cordless vacuuming, mopping, and even steaming. This is a game-changer in the world of cordless floor cleaners, as steam functions have typically been reserved for mains-powered machines. Designed by the new premium brand, MACH, launched by Eufy. This floor cleaner stands out not only for its performance but also for its stunning design. The glossy glass-like finish, rounded apple-like components, and smooth rubbery handle make it a visually appealing cleaning companion. Let's talk about what makes the MACH V1 Ultra special. It comes equipped with a steam function, a feature rarely seen in cordless cleaners. This model can vacuum hard floors and medium-pile carpets, mop with a self-cleaning mechanism, and steam clean for a deeper, more sanitizing clean, all without a cord. The Eufy MACH V1 Ultra is available directly from Eufy and Amazon, with a price tag of £749. Though it may seem like an investment, the features it offers make it well worth the price. Assembling the MACH V1 Ultra is a breeze, and its sleek design will impress you from the start. The LED display provides information on your selected function, and the rubbery handle offers multiple gripping positions for comfortable handling. One of the highlights of this floor cleaner is the EcoClean ozone feature, which naturally kills germs and removes odors during mopping with its built-in ozone generator. The clean water tank holds 820 milliliters, and the dirty water tank is a spacious 720 milliliters, ensuring you can clean without frequent interruptions to empty the contents. The MACH V1 Ultra features an extra thick 23 cm towel roller, perfect for hard floors, and a rear-mounted jet blade that dries the floor behind the wet roller. The battery life is impressive, offering up to 82 minutes of vacuuming and mopping in smart mode, and around 15 minutes of steam time. The self-cleaning function is a standout feature, making maintenance a breeze. And the quiet operation at less than 65 decibels adds to the overall user experience. The steam function is what sets this floor cleaner apart from the rest. With its 110°C steam temperature, it effectively dissolves tough stains and leaves your floors spotless. However, it's essential to use the steam function with caution on wooden or laminate flooring, as they are more susceptible to water damage. Stick to tiles and most vinyl floors for the best results. In conclusion, the Eufy MACH V1 Ultra is a versatile, stylish, and high-performing floor cleaner that excels at vacuuming, mopping, and steam cleaning. While the price may be a consideration, the functionality and design make it a worthy investment for a spotless and sanitizing clean. For a top-performing floor cleaning experience, the MACH V1 Ultra cuts the mustard, and we highly recommend it. That's it for our review of the Eufy MACH V1 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the latest household gadgets. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!